Hi, it's Gary at Broadlane, B495QD, and the contact number is 01789 763 432. Lovely day here in Alcester, Warwickshire. I'm just going to show you around this 2022 Elddis Avante 554. It features transverse island bed with a washroom across the back, and it is absolutely pristine. I love that word. That's one of my most favourite words to describe anything that I think is just fabulous, stunning. Right, let's have a look around here and see where we shall we. So, come on. Firstly, it's really bright. It's really airy in here. And that's thanks to its, dare I say it, I suppose it's like a light oak coloured furniture scheme. Contrasting upholstery, curtains, etc. Seating for four quite comfortably. Useful, practical chest of drawers, and all the storage it offers. Opening hecky roof light, fixed panoramic window. Just show you the kitchen area. Sorry, I feel myself getting too enthusiastic sometimes. I have to sort of, right, sink unit, full cooker unit. And this features the 3 gas burners and the electric hot plate. That's always useful if you run out of gas. Fridge with fridge compartment. Look how easy it is to access that microwave because it's quite low. That's a great point. So I'll walk around the bed and just look how easy it is to walk around that bed. Not forgetting all the storage that it offers. Loose laid carpets. Space saving sliding door to the washroom. I'll let Mark tour you around the washroom.
Thanks, Gaz. The washroom has a very beautiful toilet. Locker on the wall. Stylish sink with storage underneath and a rise and fall shower. That's pretty much the washroom, Gaz.
So there you go, Elddis Avante 554. It's a 2022 model. It's in absolutely exceptional condition. We offer part exchange, finance subject to status. And as ever, on that note, we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.